People talk a lot about Industry 4.0. They want to have a working solution which is affordable, which will really help them to see a difference in the way that they are working today and how they could be working tomorrow. And Pozyx is a Belgian-based technology company. We specialize in indoor positioning technology. It's a solution based on hardware and software components. We have about 3,000 potential customers in a 3-hour drive around Greenville, which is amazing. In the Upstate, there's a lot of manufacturing present today, and I believe that technology companies need to be here.
Epica International has got two core business, robotics and imaging, with an amazing portfolio of IP. The thing that we are doing is absolutely linked to innovation. Innovation is not a snapshot, it's a process. And there's something that can push the envelope much more when you have one or two companies, challenging each other. The fact that you have strong companies like Michelin, like BMW, Boeing here, we can benefit from the ecosystem. We need electronics, they have electronics. We need battery, they are very innovative on battery. And we need people that are able to assemble different type of technology under the same umbrella.
In an average day, you'll touch a Milliken product over 50 times, whether it's from the colorants in your children's art supplies, to the clarifiers in food packaging, floor coverings in commercial spaces, healthcare bandages and compression solutions. Milliken is a global manufacturing company with deep material science expertise. We have 8,000 associates in 46 different countries, and our headquarters are here in Spartanburg, South Carolina, where we spearhead our research and development activities. By having a community that fosters and drives innovation, we're really positioning ourselves on the cutting edge of a global business economy, a diverse talent pool, and a community that attracts people to come and grow and stay.
Life sciences is one of the fastest growing industries in South Carolina, being led by the manufacturing of pharmaceuticals and medical devices. And now you're seeing that spill into more of the R&D and product development of drugs and medical devices themselves. Zylö offers a disruptive topical drug delivery system, and we compete in a wide swath of market segments, from ag tech to life sciences to cosmetics to CBD, THC, and animal health. There's an evolving ecosystem that provides all sorts of advantages for startups in the Upstate. I have found an extremely welcoming environment, but beyond that, it seems like most everyone I meet wants us to be successful. And it's something I haven't seen in the other states where I've done business. Success is welcomed, it is celebrated, and it's encouraged, and it's been a wonderful thing.
In 2013, there was just two of us starting the company, incubating it in Greenville. 5 years later, we became the largest provider of care coordination programs for Medicare patients in the country. And this ecosystem that has been built in the Upstate is extraordinary. We were a startup, we had no revenue, we had no capital. It was economic development, whether it was the county or the city or the state. Everybody came in to help us overcome those hurdles that every young company faces, and it really expedited our growth and our development. One thing that strikes me is the maturation of what's happened to the Upstate. Everybody wants to peg, what's the big vertical, right? What's the sliver of types of companies that exist in the Upstate? And the truth is, there's a remarkable diversified group, whether you're incubating or whether you're closing a $100 million round of capital, all of it's possible here.